Hi and welcome to this new video on my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to use personalization to improve the online customer experience. In today's digital world, customers expect a personalized experience. They expect their needs and preferences to be understood and met. That's why personalization has become a key element in improving the online customer experience. Here are some steps you can follow to use personalization to improve the online customer experience. Firstly, you need to collect customer data. You need to collect information about your customers, such as their name, age, gender, email address, and purchase preferences. This information will help you create personalized experiences for your customers. Secondly, you need to use personalization technologies. There are many personalization technologies available, such as recommendation engines, chatbots, and loyalty programs. Use these technologies to offer personalized experiences to your customers. Thirdly, you need to create personalized content. Create content that is relevant and interesting to your customers. For example, you can create content based on their interests, purchase preferences, or activities on your website. Fourthly, you need to offer customization options. Offer your customers customization options, such as the ability to choose the color or size of the product, or to customize the product with their name or a photo. Fifthly, you need to manage customer expectations. Ensure that your customers know what to expect from the personalized experience. For example, inform them that they will receive personalized emails or recommendations based on their previous purchases. Sixthly, you need to evaluate the results of personalization. Monitor the results of personalization, such as the conversion rate, customer loyalty percentage, and cart abandonment rate. Use this information to make the necessary adjustments to your personalization strategy. In conclusion, using personalization to improve the online customer experience is crucial for the success of your business. Remember to collect customer data, use personalization technologies, create personalized content, offer customization options, manage customer expectations, and evaluate the results of personalization. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, I invite you to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this. Thank you for watching.